Hi there, and welcome to the Sales Engineering AI demo. Let's dive in. I'll show you how you can generate proposals in minutes instead of hours. Now, as you can see, I've already connected my mailbox to the agent, which allows me to pull proposal requests right from my email. And if I refresh the notifications, I bet I have a new request that just landed. There we go. And as I accept this request, it's going to trigger the creation of a workspace for this request, which would mean I can quickly get started. So inside of my workspace, the first thing that I'm going to see is a quick take by the agent that gives me a high-level overview of this RFP. As you can see, this RFP is past due, since it's a demo document we're using, but it has some very real insights. So we're going to run a full analysis here. And along with this analysis, there's a deep requirement extraction as well as a gap analysis happening in the background. Once this is generated, I can ask the agent to draft a proposal outline. So I'm going to let the analysis and requirements extraction finish. This usually takes no more than a few minutes for a 20 to 50-page document. If it's a larger document, it can take slightly longer. And while this analysis finishes, why don't you listen to this nice music? Alright, now that I have the analysis and requirements extraction completed, I'm going to ask the agent to draft a proposal outline. And voila! You can see we have a proposal outline generated by the agent. We're using the document to design the outline, as in the instructions on how the client is expecting the proposal to be structured, and then your internal knowledge bases to write the actual content of the document. I can quickly draft this first section to show how that works. As the content is being generated, you'll also notice these yellow warning labels. That basically means the information being asked for in this particular section does not exist in the knowledge base. So the agent is also helping you keep your knowledge base up to date. You can also choose additional data sources to supplement section content. Once I have the proposal content I want, if I'd like to see what the outgoing document is going to look like, I can click on Export and see a view of how the document will come out. I can also export this document as a PDF and simply send this out to my client from here. Next, we're going to look at creating decks using the Sales Engineering AI.